everyone, my name is MJ. Welcome back to Learn Fun English. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of shadowing, a technique that'll supercharge your English speaking skills. Join me as I shadow a story, breaking down the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation, all so you can follow along and improve your fluency. Ready to speak like a native? Let's get started.
Hello, my name is Emma. Hello, my name is Emma. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. I am from Spain, but I live in London. I am from Spain, but I live in London. I am a student and I am learning English. I am a student and I am learning English. I love English. I love English. I speak a little, but I practice every day. I speak a little, but I practice every day. This is my daily routine. This is my daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I get out of bed and brush my teeth. And brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. Then I take a shower. After that, I get dressed. After that, I get dressed. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat bread and eggs. I drink a cup of tea. I eat bread and eggs. I drink a cup of tea. At 8 o'clock, I go to school. At 8 o'clock, I go to school. I walk to school. I walk to school. At school, I learn English. At school, I learn English. I read, I write, and I speak English. I read, I write, and I speak English. Sometimes, I talk with my friends in English. Sometimes, I talk with my friends in English. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch. I eat with my friends. I eat with my friends. We laugh and talk. We laugh and talk. In the afternoon, I study. In the afternoon, I study. I do my homework. I do my homework. I listen to English on YouTube. I listen to English on YouTube. I read English books. I read English books. I watch simple English videos. I watch simple English videos. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. After dinner, I relax. After dinner, I relax. I watch TV or I read. I watch TV or I read. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I am tired. I am tired. I sleep and dream in English. I sleep and dream in English. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I listen, I read, I speak, and I write. I listen, I read, I speak, and I write. Every day, I learn more. Every day, I learn more. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for listening to my story. Now tell me, what is your daily routine? Now tell me, what is your daily routine?
Great job shadowing with me today. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Keep listening, keep repeating, and don't forget, your voice matters. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English practice. See you next time.